So one common question that I've gotten from my customers is, I can't get my power liftgate to work in my Highlander. So I thought I'd make a quick video to show you how to troubleshoot that. So if you've tried to open it and you're getting this noise, this is what you need to do. So if you come inside the cabin and you open the glove box, just right here to the left of the glove box, you're going to see a little button right there. What you want to do is push that in. Now whenever you go to open your power liftgate, you should hear this button. I hope you found this video helpful. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. We appreciate all your support. Until next time, drive safe, be safe, stay informed.